Forget everything you know. Wait, maybe not everything. That might be impractical. But everything about hand lettering. Because think, how do you write? You hold a pen, you put it against a paper, you drag it across the paper. Doesn't it sound familiar? Doesn't it sound like drawing? I'm here to tell you all the fancy lettering you see out there is just drawing. And since everyone can draw, I already proved that, you can check out my third class. You can also do hand lettering. Hi, my name is Fatih. It's a Turkish name and it means conqueror. Do as you wish with this useless information. What else? I'm a watercolor artist, drawer, sketch journaler, a former copywriter, and an online teacher. I try to teach everyone that they can, in fact, do anything. Hence the name of this class. Everyone can draw letters. With this class, you will be able to polish your sketch journals with beautiful and attention-grabbing titles, turn your paintings into captivating posters, and totally kill with your side of textbook doodles. I decided to make this class because there wasn't one. I looked. All the lettering classes I came across seemed so serious and structured. Ugh, you need to follow the lines and practice. But I would argue, just like you can draw this mug by looking, you can do the same with lettering. And I've got examples for you to look at. This class is for anyone who wants to do lettering but always found the subject intimidating and time-consuming. I designed this class so when you finish it, you will be totally equipped to tackle any lettering project. You know my approach. Minimum effort, maximum impact. In this class, I will show you what is the difference between hand lettering, calligraphy, and typography. 3 parameters you can play with to make your own fonts. 25 different fonts you can choose from, and at the end we will totally demystify the world of lettering. There is even a fun game called Letter Yahtzee to help you come up with new fonts whenever you feel stuck. At the end, I will apply everything we learned and turn a painting of mine into a poster, and also we will add a title to my sketch journal. So you can see these skills in action. The skills you will learn in this class are totally transferable to any other class or project you want to take on. You can learn and master how to make your own fonts or pick 2 or 3 from the list we will create together and be on your way. I made this class to show that lettering is not hard, it doesn't need years of practice, and anyone can do it with simple, easy to follow instructions. You will need paper, pen, pencil, eraser, and watercolor or any other medium if you want to color your creations. Your class project is to pick a code and turn it into typography with the techniques you will learn in this class. We will talk about that in the next video. I can't wait to start showing you how easy this is. So is Jack. Jack is my assistant. He's not here right now. He went to get me coffee. Otherwise, I would have invited him in front of the camera. What a shame. Well, maybe next time. Easy.